Welcome to your NAD Plus pen instruction video. In this video, we will show you how to use this product simply and safely so you can receive the full benefits of NAD Plus from the comfort of your own home. Begin by thoroughly washing your hands or sanitizing them to ensure they are free from bacteria and germs prior to administration. Once you have opened your NAD Plus box, you will find a suggested protocol guide, a written instruction manual, an essentials box, and a travel case. First, take out the contents of your home kit. Your essentials box houses the needles, wipes, and sharps bin. Open the essentials box and take out the needles, wipes, and sharps bin. Your injection pen and NAD Plus cartridges are located inside the travel case. Your pen comes with a chill pack, so it's great for travel or for keeping it cool at home. Take your pen out of the zip case. You can now also take out the NAD Plus cartridges. To start setting up your pen for administration, gently pull the top section of your NAD Plus pen to remove the lid. This reveals the clear plastic cartridge holder. Now, twist and detach the cartridge holder from the pen base. If you see the plunger sticking out from the pen, just press it gently back into the base with your finger so it's flush. Open your cartridge box and take out one NAD Plus cartridge. Insert the NAD Plus cartridge into the clear holder, making sure the silver tip goes in first. Next, gently push the cartridge holder into the base of the pen and twist it until it locks into place. It should feel snug and secure. Take a needle tip from the pack and remove the seal from the bottom. Carefully screw it onto the top of the pen. Make sure it's on firmly. If this is your first time using a new cartridge, you'll need to prime the pen fully. Start by removing both the plastic needle cover and the green safety protector from the needle. Twist the base of the pen until it reaches 15 units. Slowly press the base down until you feel light resistance as the grey bung meets the black screw thread. If a bubble is still visible after priming, twist to 5 units at a time and push slowly until the bubble disappears. Your pen is now ready for use. While holding the pen, twist the base until it lines up with your dosage, typically 30 units or 0.3 milliliters. Before you inject, you will need to choose the subcutaneous administering site you are going to inject into. Administering sites include areas such as the abdomen, upper thighs, buttocks, or outer hip. Make sure to avoid administering in the same spot every time. Always rotate the administering site each time you inject, and do not administer in a spot that is bruised, tender, or scarred. Once you have chosen your administration site, clean the area with an antibacterial wipe. Gently pinch the skin at the injection site to create a firm but comfortable area. Align the pen and press the needle into the skin. Then, firmly press down at the base to inject the NAD+. Keep the pen steady. This will help minimize the chances of bruising. You may feel a slight sting, and that's normal. Once the dial returns to 0, hold the pen in place for 10 seconds before removing the needle. Place the green safety cap back onto the needle. Then, while holding the cartridge securely, unscrew the needle tip and put the lid back on the pen. Safely dispose of the used needle tip in the sharps bin provided. Put the extra NAD Plus cartridge away and return it to your travel case, along with your injection pen. You can also now put away the content of your essentials kit until your next administration. Store your pen and cartridges in the fridge between 2 and 8 degrees Celsius, and always use the NAD Plus cartridges before their expiry date. And that's it! You're all set. If you need any further help or have any questions, please contact our team.